So as you see, we have yet another donor vehicle here under the knife. Mike had the chainsaw out earlier, taking parts off. Started off life as a black Mojave. It's going to leave life as a fully custom suspension with a HellCat engine under the hood.
HellCat.
And 37s, and it is gonna be a mean street machine. It's basically what this is gonna be. We're gonna re-gear it, axle shafts, bunch of other cool stuff, custom graphics. We're just getting started here. Body's coming off in a second.
Excellent.
And the crate arrived this morning. So yet again, this vehicle already has an owner before it even gets started, really, or finished. So this is going to another one of those rare gingers.
What? This is another ginger's?
Yeah. Difference being, we have to put power steps on this one for this ginger.
He's short
little shorter than I am.
The short ginger.
Ooh, I'm taking the whole shop down. Yeah.
If you quit, I quit. Like, pretty much, it's...
We're all stuck with each other at this point.
It's pretty much like, it's all blood pack, and we do weird, crazy rituals, but, you know.
I'm a lifer. Doesn't feel right. Need the, where's the snow? Where's the ice? Where's the...
No snow today, man.
Maybe we should just lay out, enjoy the sun.
So the next step is where there's a bad relationship going on here. This particular vehicle in its lifespan has been arguing back and forth with its 3.6 liter Pentastar and the rest of the truck's identity. So since we accept all identities here, we are going to help this truck reach its proper potential, and it technically identifies as a HellCat Gladiator. We finally saved up enough nickels. We're going to put a HellCat motor in this thing, break the rear diff in half.
Why is it you're always creating the divorces and I'm always creating the weddings?
I like to make people happy. You like to make people miserable.
Oh, there you go.
Excellent forklifting, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm quite experienced at this kind of thing because, years and years of just driving. That's what...
Yeah, you're a forking idiot.
What's in this box?
I don't know. I haven't opened it.
He doesn't know. Do you know what's in the box?
Stuff.
Stuff.
Fun
Right.
stuff?
Fun stuff?
I don't know. We ordered
Fast
it.
stuff?
Fast stuff?
I hope it's something that's engine related because we already got rid of the other one.
Yeah, well, hopefully it's engine and transmission.
Because I don't think Rich is going to Fred Flintstone it all the way from Austin to the dealership.
All right, here we go. Oh, look. It's a HellCat.
Oh, it's just a HellCat.
Oh, yeah.
Not even a demon. Oh, who cheaped out?
Thought we were getting something with some power here.
I'm not even interested. I'm out. All kidding aside, America's Most Wanted says this is the most reliable and best choice. Because because it's actually in daily driven cars. It's not such a race engine as much as it does have 707 horsepower. Basically, if you want a reliable motor and you want to beat on it, you want to do stuff, your probably best bet is picking either a 392 or a HellCat engine. HellCat engine being a little bit more to deal with because you got all that extra coolant, but it requires less heat dissipation than the Demon does. Even though dogs are man's best friend, this cat is trying its damnedest to get your attention. We've been fostering this for a few weeks now, and we've finally found its forever home in this black on black Mojave build we're doing. We have also supplied the litter box as well as all other things like the catnip and the toys and the little fishing rod with the thingy and the stuff. So I think they'll get along great together. Have you ever surfed on a HellCat motor? Look at this.
For anybody watching this, this is totally safe.
So here is the last resting place of this HellCat motor. Eventually we'll put the rest of the parts on so it's out of the rain, it doesn't get all cold and needy. This is definitely not the most power I've had between my legs. Oh yeah. You can hear that supercharger, can't you? Whistling away.
You gotta make the noises.
Woo! Vroom vroom.
What's up guys, Sean here from the Story Till Now. If you don't know about the Epic online store, the new one, epic-4wd.com, they have all the stuff you need like Teraflex, Metal Cloak, 67 Designs mounts, all the stuff that we use. Everything that you need is at that store. Go check it out, and if you use the link in the description, it helps support my channel, which I appreciate. Thanks guys.
Are you just gonna touch them some more?
I'm not gonna lie, this is almost like, what's it, like an ASMR video, but instead you're touching the stuff. Feels so nice.
It does. It does feel nice.
I want to stop, but that's their job, not mine. All right, so these are Teraflex's Delta brake system. These are amazing anodized aluminum pieces, full brake setup using the same pads, I think, from a Tundra. 4-piston caliper and rotor, all the way around, all the same. So bigger rotor, bigger caliper, more clamp. So the difference between a lot of people out there is like, oh, well, I can get these really cool rotors and these pads and just throw them on my vehicle. That does nothing. It's like having a placebo. It's might as well buy non-alcoholic beer. It's about the same thing. You're not going to get drunk unless your brain is so dumb it thinks it's going to get drunk. The only way to stop more is with more clamping power.
More clamping force. Yes.
So the fact it's on a bigger rotor is even better, but more clamping power. And the price of these is actually quite reasonable if you start comparing them to like performance car brakes from like Bear and Brembo and Willwood and all those other brands.
Right.
And these are designed specifically for Jeep, JL, and Gladiator. And I think they even make a JK set for some reason.
Cool.
What more can I say? If you want to stop, there's how you stop. If you want to pull that move where you hit the brakes real hard, you put your arm across to the woman who's sitting in the other seat, go, oh, I'm sorry. I'm just making sure you didn't go through the windshield. These would help. Does any of this shit make sense?
It's a good PSA. Thank you.
I've applied the Vaseline where it needed to be applied.
Vaseline.
Otherwise, you would not have lubrication in your engine.
Okay. Vaseline is a secret ingredient in any HellCat construction.
Yes, it's the one thing that's going to make everybody happy. How does this look? Ooh, we got lights.
We got lights, baby.
They look good, actually.
Can you see the HellCat logo in there? Yeah, we can.
All right, so we have got the engine swap in. We've repinned the connector in the engine bay, so it's accepting of the new computer. We've gone in, we've set the throttle learn, we've done a brake learn, we've disabled the fuel injectors so we can build some oil pressure.
Right.
We've used the Mopar master key here to cycle on the coolant pump in the back, so we're getting the charge air cooler circuit bled.
Cool.
So we're ready to go.
All right.
So we're gonna crank it. It's not gonna fire. But
Just building pressure.
yeah,
Gotcha.
we're looking for pressure. So here we go. Hands free.
Hands free.
Here we go. Fire in the hole.
We're just doing our first official road test with this new HellCat converted Mojave. We're taking data logs to send back to the mothership at AMW 4x4. We thought it's best to see if it doesn't work out well, there's a chance we'll die because I don't have an airbag in front of me.
Okay, missing the airbag.
Don't worry, it does come with them when you buy them. First stop, of course, gas station.
All right, drink up, kitty cat.
91 octane.
That's right.
Looking for an epic Jeep? Give us a call.